In this section, I'm going to open up a drawing file, and in the drawing file I'm going to make a dimensional change to a sketch dimension, and we're going to see that that will update the model. And then we'll do just the opposite. I'm going to go back and I will make a dimensional change to a sketch at the part level, and we'll see that the drawing will update. So first of all, I'm going to start off by opening an existing drawing file. And again, to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to filter out just to the individual drawing files. And the file that I'm looking for here is going to be the exercise 2, section 3. So again, I'll just double click on that. Now with that file open, I'm going to zoom up into the front view. So next what I want to do is I want to modify the overall length of the car body. Now this 200 millimeter dimension here, this dimension was retrieved. So now when I right click on that dimension, from the menu I have this option, Edit Model Dimension. So here in the Edit Dimension dialog, I'm going to simply change this over to 190 millimeters. And you'll see that the drawing views themselves have all been updated to reflect that change. So now what I want to do though is let's verify that change. Now what I could do is I could come back up to the Quick Access toolbar, click on Open, navigate out, and find the file that this drawing view was created from. But an easier way is to simply right click in any of the drawing views, and then from the menu click on Open. And here was the car body that the drawing was based on. And just like we've been doing before, I'm going to come back here, I'm going to select on that bottom planar face, click on Edit Sketch, pan this down, and again you can see the 190 millimeter dimension, the one that we just placed in there. And again, I'm just going to double click on that, and I'm going to change this back to 200 millimeters. And again, finish the sketch. I'm going to save the part file. Now I'm going to make the drawing current by selecting on that first tab for the drawing. So as you can see, the drawing updated to reflect that change, and of course the 190 millimeter dimension is now shown as 200. So what I want to do next is save the file. Now what I'd like to do is close all of the files that I have open. I could do this a couple different ways. I could click on the X inside the tab, click on the X inside the window, or what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to the Application menu. From Close, click on Close All. And this completes this section of the exercise.